My name is Alec Hogsette, and I'm a personal injury attorney handling catastrophic injury cases. I have experience working for the insurance industry, and I do anything from commercial tractor-trailer wrecks to car wrecks to premises liability cases, defects in products, and really anything where someone is injured at the negligence of somebody else. If one of my clients were to speak to a family member, a coworker, or a friend of theirs, I would want them to use two words when describing Hatfield Temple, and that is complete trust. It's something that's earned. It comes from delivering on the promises that we make to each one of our clients day one and seeing them through, helping guide them through this process, helping tell their story. They're going to see it because we're going to communicate regularly and often with them. And we're going to fight for them. It starts with the attorneys and it moves through everybody in our office, whether it be our experienced paralegals, our litigation support team. You're getting it all when you come to Hatfield Temple. It's a complete team approach. I went to work for the insurance industry for the better part of a decade. And through that experience, I learned that insurance companies look at their own insureds, look at victims of their insured's negligence simply as claim numbers. It's important for me as a personal injury attorney, if I'm going to do my job and help my client fully recover, I don't just focus on the medical treatment. I don't just focus on the dates they went to a doctor, but really it's a lot more than that. It's the day-to-day between those appointments, the sleepless nights because you're in a recliner instead of sleeping with your loved one or your spouse. It's having a short temper because you're not getting the sleep you need at night. It's the stress and the anxiety of, am I ever going to get back to how I was before the accident? Why did this happen to me? With our help, our clients do get through it. They do come out the other side, and I think they're better for it.